This is Ricky Yozen with JamesGangPrinting.com, and I'm here to answer your question about how to fold t-shirts nicely. There's two techniques that I use often. First is just the simple, pull it up in front of you, fold the sleeves in like so. Show that to you from the back side. Grab the shoulders, fold them in, then use the table to kind of just fold it like that. That's a real quick and easy way of doing it. But my favorite technique, and then the way that works best for if you're trying to present your t-shirts, or you just want them to look organized on your table, or however you're folding them for your laundry or whatever. Take each sleeve at a time. Fold your logo down on the table like that. So logo down on table. Then take each sleeve and grab the corner and fold it about halfway in, one at a time, of course. Then fold the next one over like so. And then you're going to want to take this part and fold it up about a third of the way. So you take the end, fold it up about a third. If you notice, the logo's right here if you want that showing, which a lot of times we do want that showing so customers can look through our shirts. So you fold it about a third of the way up, and you fold it all the way up, and boom, gives you a nice fold. You can kind of see the logo here, or if you want more of the logo exposed, you just fold this part less. So you fold it up about maybe a quarter of the way, and then fold it again, and you're going to get a little bit more of your shirt's logo exposed. So that's the best and easiest way to fold shirts nicely. This is Ricky Yozen again with JamesGangPrinting.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.